Pradeep from Jamshedpur and Anand from Bhopal. Ready? Saurav, if you visited the Raj Bhavan in Kohima, Nagaland, you would see a specimen of Defence Services equipment exhibited at the entrance to Raj Bhavan. What would you see? Something from one of the three armed forces. Saurav, are you trying for 10 points? You're not. Raghav?
Is it from the army?
Nothing from the army. Raghav? So let's get across to Shubhadeep from Jamshedpur.
Kukri?
A kukri, a small kukri like that. No, it's something obviously big. Yes.
Pass.
The Ajit or the Nat aircraft is plonked right in front of Raj Bhavan. Okay, we got a question now for Raghav from Bangalore. If your bus reached a place called Mihimuk in Assam, where would you and your family be going on holiday?
I think the Kaziranga National Park.
You think Kaziranga National Park? Well, Raghav, happy holiday. It is the Kaziranga National Park. And guess what? We will take you to the Kaziranga National Park on this journey. But before that, allow us to break journey for a while.
दुनिया आपको बोले अब दो फ्लेवर में गुड मॉर्निंग
New Little Orange. Ufuma, ye sansani. Ufuma, मैं मन चली. भीगी, गिली, लगी उड़ चली. चपक छू, मचरे धूम, ढोल बाजे मन मनाचे. Ufuma, मैं मन चली. New Little Orange.
ए रामो कॉफी ए मेरी शर्ट यार
आपकी अच्छी खासी शर्ट को बना दिया ना पोछा। कसूर है साधारण डिटर्जेंट बार का, जिसमें होते हैं लगभग 40% मिट्टी जैसे तत्व। नया रिन सुप्रीम बार है प्योर बार, जो दे ब्रांड न्यू सफेदी।
ए रामो कॉफी दो।
नया रिन सुप्रीम, बिजली गिरी।
ओए लड़के ओए बाहर निकल। सॉरी आपको नहीं, नीचे आ, मेरी बारी है।
ओए ऊपर आ, मैं दिखाता हूँ।
आता हूँ। क्या
एक्शन
टेक के बाद
मैक्स दीवाना बना दे।
Well, we've had a long 5-hour drive from Guwahati, and I've got no more bananas for this elephant. And here we are at the Kaziranga National Park. It's a 430 square kilometer national park. In fact, we're about to enter this park. Well, we hope together we can all save the great Indian rhino, because there are just 1,552 great one-horned rhinos here at this park. There are over 80 Royal Bengal tigers. Let's enjoy Kaziranga National Park. Quite a few surprises being thrown up here as we drive around the 430 square kilometer national park. Well, we've seen a few birds, we've seen deer, but we've even spotted the rhino. But just behind me here, we've seen a large herd of the Asiatic wild buffalo, and we're told that the largest collection of the Asiatic buffalo in the world, you can find it here in Kaziranga. I was just asking the forest guide before we rolled this shot as to why we could see such a large herd here of the Asiatic wild buffalo just behind me, and he says the wild buffalo get together as a herd when they sense danger, when they sense that there's a tiger in the vicinity. I better get out of here. You know, we get so carried away about wildlife parks in Africa and the rest of the world. Kaziranga matches them rhino for rhino. Now we've got a question for Shubhadeep. Take a look at this, Shubhadeep, then I'll ask you the question. The headgear you saw belongs to which group of people? Just give me the state and I'll give you the points.
Nagaland.
Well done, Shubhadeep. And I've got my next question for Anand. If you were eating appams and stew, tell me, where would you be? In which state?
Kerala.
Kerala. Where are you from?
Maharashtra.
How did you know that? Good, well done. He loves food, I love food. You get 10 points for your efforts. And I've got a question for Saurav. Listen to this. This is a very popular folk song from a district in Assam. Just give me the name of the district.
Pass.
You're not trying.
Is it
Raghav.
the Jorhat?
No, Raghav, but I appreciate your efforts from Karnataka to Jorhat. Now, Shubhadeep, which district?
Kamrup.
Kamrup is the right answer. Well done, Shubhadeep. It is the music from Kamrup district. And now we'll have our second set of players to try and pick up points for their school teams. Here come the second set. Abhishek from Sikkim, Pranav from Bangalore, we've got Aniket from Jamshedpur and Shashank from Bhopal. And Shashank, let's ask you a question. Which institution serves as the principal seat for the High Court of Mizoram? Think carefully.
No.
Then I have to ask Aniket from Jamshedpur.
Pass.
Not trying. Okay, let's ask Pranav from Bangalore. Abhishek.
Guwahati High Court.
Oh, Abhishek, that's very, very good. In fact, the Guwahati High Court holds a unique position. 7 of the 8 northeastern states except Sikkim have the Guwahati High Court as the principal court. Super answer, Abhishek. Now we have a question for Shashank. In 1957, after the National Calendar Committee took out its report, which calendar is regarded as the National Calendar of India? Blank calendar. Fill in the blank. Not trying? Let's ask Aniket.
The Saka.
The Saka calendar. Aniket. Vah re vah. Very, very good.